this side.
We want to step this way, he says.
Why are we stepping this way?
We don't want to get out.
Oh, look, there's fireworks. Oh, they're like, they're fireworks. And
This reminds me of Animal House when they made the car. when they made the float.
Spike.
No, get back, Spike.
Come on.
Spike, get back. Wait a minute. I know, I am. That's so funny.
yeah, you'll know when he's coming back.
You have to give him a big hand.
Kate, you must be so proud.
I dreamed of this.
Here he comes.
Spike! Jack, grab Spike.
Hey, sit.
Oh, he even did the music. Even did the music. I'm taking a video.
Brakes all right.
Music, fireworks.
Oh, exciting.
Look at just support all the way up on the drive. Hey, Mike, come here.
Why did you pick this stupid music? Stupid music.
Oh, come on now.
There he is. There he is.
You have to get in it like that?
That's so funny.
What is this?
Yeah. What's that say? You know what? I think we're at those back breaks. Y'all get the sign. Well, except you want the Come here, Jan.
You gotta sign it.
You gotta sign it. You gotta
Sign our name or our...
do whatever you want.
I know what I'm gonna sign it.
Don't kill yourself.
But bash him up. We know I'm gonna sign my name right here. Go. What's
I lost my pen.
Hey Jim, I have red duct tape if you need a red stripe.
I'll tell you what, that black skin is shiny.
You need a red stripe? I have red.